If your Namecheap private email subscription is about to expire, or you just want to make sure your email service stays active without interruption, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to renew your Namecheap private email subscription step by step. I'll also show you how to review the renewal details, choose your payment method, and optionally turn on auto-renew so you can avoid future expiration problems. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Open your browser, go to Namecheap, and sign in with the account that holds your private email subscription. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Namecheap login, because the renewal option will only appear under the account connected to your email service. Once you're logged in, go to the private email section. You can usually find this from your account dashboard or from the products and services area. This section is where Namecheap lists all of your private email plans, domains, and subscription details in one place, so this is the area you'll need to manage your renewal. Now look for the domain that is connected to your private email subscription. If you have more than one domain, take a moment to verify you're selecting the correct one. This is important because the renewal has to match the email service you actually want to keep active. Next, click Manage next to the subscription. This will open the settings and options for that specific private email plan. Inside the management area, you should see the renewal controls and the current status of your subscription. Now click Renew. This begins the renewal process and adds the subscription to your cart, where you can review the length of the renewal and any pricing details before completing the purchase. This is your chance to confirm everything is correct before you move on to payment. When everything looks good, click Confirm Order. This takes you to the checkout process, where Namecheap will ask you to choose how you want to pay for the renewal. Select your preferred payment method. Depending on your account and region, you may see different options available, so pick the one that works best for you. After that, make sure to verify your receipt contact details. This is where you confirm that the billing and receipt information is accurate, so your order confirmation goes to the right contact details. Once you've checked those details, click Continue. This moves you to the final order review page, where you can see a summary of everything before the payment is submitted. Now carefully review the order details one last time. Look over the subscription name, renewal period, total amount, and payment information. If everything is correct, you're ready for the final step. Click Pay Now to complete the renewal. After the payment processes, your Namecheap private email subscription should be renewed and active again. You should also receive a confirmation or receipt showing that the order went through successfully. And that's it. You've now renewed your Namecheap private email subscription, and if you chose auto-renew, you've also made future renewals a lot easier. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.